Hello, my name's Phil Dobson from County Battery Services Limited. Today I'm going to show you how to fit a battery to a key fob for a Saab 9.3. Okay, so how to change it. You'll need a tool or a small screwdriver. The first thing to do, on an original, if you press the Saab logo, it will release the key from the actual main unit. So press in the back and gently pull the key out, the key is released. Pop that to one side. Some occasions this inner slides out, just push that back in, it only houses the key. The next step is, if you look inside here, there's a small gap. That's where you use your screwdriver or your tool to ease the two halves apart. So with a tight grip on the unit, pop that in and a nice firm pop, and there you go, it's cracked open. So being very careful now to just squeeze that open to about that much. Don't force the screwdriver in or dig or gouge, because you would be in danger of damaging the insides, which could stop the car from working, resulting in buying a new key fob. The other half, you can quite clearly see where the battery is. That's quite easy to pop out. You again, using the screwdriver, just lift it out, and this particular battery is a CR2032. Now to pop the battery back in, it's with the writing down. Click, that's now secure. It's the same process. Put that back on top, aligning the sides together, and then we want a nice firm press. You can hear it clicking back together. Ensure that all sides are nicely pushed together. There we go, and we're now new battery installed. Finally, put the key back in, and we have a new replaced battery in the key fob. There you go, new battery in the key fob. You may have a small problem when you insert this into the car and it doesn't work. Make one turn to ignition, press and hold one of the buttons for 5 seconds, should be fine to go. For more information, please go to www.countybattery.co.uk or give one of our experts a call on 01623 757 377. Thanks for watching.